What's up guys, Simod here, back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Sigma lens and the kit lens for the Sony ZV-E10, or just in general any sort of Sony camera. So with that being said, we're going to jump in to see if it's worth upgrading to a Sigma lens or just sticking to the good old kit lens. So with that being said, let's jump in. Okay, so right now we are testing out the Sigma lens here. As you can see, we got a lot more bokeh than I was expecting. If we move further away, you can notice the bokeh is starting to disappear a little bit. And as the more we zoom in, the more you can start to see it. Okay guys, here's me testing out the kit lens here. As you can see, there's quite a significant difference with the bokeh and everything. To get more of a blurred background, I definitely have to move in quite a bit more to the lens in order for that to work. As we get further away, you may notice that it disappears a lot quicker, but overall, either of them work really well. Like I said, it's more of a preference choice. If you're willing to sacrifice a little bit of the bokeh here compared to what the Sigma offers, that's fine. But if you're someone who's really big on the whole bokeh thing, like the blurred background stuff, then maybe the Sigma is the way to go. Overall, both were great lenses, the difference being the weight of each lens and the size of them. As you can see, the Sigma's a lot bigger compared to what the kit lens is, and it's a lot heavier compared to the kit lens as well. But again, it's all preference. So that being said guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. If this helped you out, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe notifications on so you don't miss any videos. And let me know in the comment section below which lens you prefer to use on your Sony camera. And let me know as well, would you prefer to pay extra for the Sigma lens or just stick with the kit lens instead for the Sony camera? That being said, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye bye.